So hi guys, for today's video, mini unboxing. So these are figures, Sanrio figures from CC Keiko. Actually collab to ng Miko Illustrations and Sanrio. So I got the whole set kasi ano siya, blind box. And I can't get enough of the cuteness of these figures. So sabi ko, I have to get it. Ito siya guys. So ang characters is si Kuromi, Sina, Melody. Mamaya mali ako, no? Si Souffle, si Latte, Kami, and wait, wala. Hindi ko maalala yung isa. Sorry, tama ba? Latte, Souffle, si Kami. Sorry guys, nakalimutan ko yung isa. So, ayan siya guys. This is from Japan. So, 8 pieces siya in total. So, I have to get the whole set. Wait, iniisip ko yung isang name. Nag-loading utak ko. Souffle, Kami, Latte. Oh my god. Guys, naalala ko na si Moose. So, ayan siya guys. Tanggalin ko muna yung ano. These are sealed guys ha. Sealed to. Wait, paano ba to? Sealed pa siya. Ang bilis nito actually na sold out. So, no nakakita ulit si CCK ko ng ganito, sabi ko, mamain ko na yung set. Hindi ako mapayag na hindi. So, yan. I got the whole set. So, ayan siya guys. I will be doing another video, separate video ng unboxing nila isa-isa. So, yan yung mga characters nyo guys. So, stay tuned guys for more unboxing videos of this one. So, that's it for today's video guys. Until next video. Bye-bye guys.